Welcome to HubMesh. Here are the developer tools and AI agents trending on GitHub right now.
With 4 primitives, Clay gives AI agents reliable web scraping without custom anti-bot handling, but how fast is setup? It acts as a unifying layer that connects AI workflows directly to cloud infrastructure for scraping. You get a single asset registry packed with skills and MCP configurations for popular agent clients. While generic scrapers fail on protected sites, this tool retrieves protected pages efficiently over millions of URLs. Its core architecture exposes endpoints that turn raw pages into structured JSON or Markdown data instantly. For quick start, fetching TP-bin installs in 466 milliseconds and provisions a free account without an API key. Because every action in opendot is snapshotted, you can safely revert mistakes before expanding its power into external workplace tools. You can try opendot instantly without installation or set up an isolated global CLI environment. Start an interactive session to summarize code, run automated scripts, or audit and undo previous agent actions. You can connect cloud local or Hugging Face models by setting an environment variable or using /commands. As an MCP client, opendot lets external tools become available alongside built-in ones, managed directly from a drop-down menu. Beyond standard tools, Composio connects opendot to Gmail and Slack, executing external app actions safely through explicit confirmation. Using a recursive crawling mechanism, Sparkfetch strips web clutter to stream clean data, but how does it optimize LLM context? This web fetching API handles content extraction to convert target URLs into clean, structured LLM-ready content. It operates as a powerful service, converting messy HTML into plain text, clean Markdown, or structured JSON. For installation, developers clone the repository from GitHub, install dependencies with pnpm, and launch the dev server. The API reference details endpoints like scrape, which fetches a single URL using request parameters like include tags. In practical use cases, Sparkfetch helps feed clean Markdown directly into your LLM context for RAG pipelines. Using daemon-tools-suite-core gives developers calendar integration to streamline work, but stick around to see how quick setup works. This daemon-tools-suite-core serves as your central hub for managing daily development tasks seamlessly. It delivers a complete productivity environment that combines reminders with focus mode tools to keep you focused. You can visit the documentation or grab the latest release directly from the official links. You can connect your email and cloud storage while working offline with automatic synchronization. Simply fetch the newest archive and run the setup binary directly to start working in seconds. Accelerate inference using a single forward pass with speculators, but how easily can you deploy this in production? This library provides an end-to-end framework to train draft models that deploy directly to VLLM without quality loss. Exciting updates introduce the p-egal algorithm, enabling parallel multi-token prediction to significantly cut drafting latency. You can enable offline generation of hidden states using VLLM, saving structured data samples to disk for training. The following table summarizes trained models across Llama and Qwen architectures ready for full deployment. You can serve models through VLLM using a simple VLLM serve command with default arguments for low latency. Version 1.7 of a chat outline extension turns long prompts into side outlines, but wait for its dev setup. It parses long threads in ChatGPT to extract your prompts into an interactive outline for smooth jumping. Built for Chrome, this local parser matches dark or light themes while keeping your data private. Adapters fully support platforms like Google Gemini, OpenAI ChatGPT, and Tencent Yuanbao, plus a generic mode. Download zip packages from GitHub releases, and enable developer mode to load the unpacked directory directly. Simply clone the repo and run npm run dev to launch a clean browser window with the extension preloaded. That's the mix for today. More trending dev tools and AI agents in the next one.